Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to guide everyone how to download the game Sleeping Dogs on a PC or laptop so everyone can play it. First, open a browser for me. Next, go to the official Steam website. I'll put the website link in the video description below. When everyone clicks the link, it'll open up this page. Then, click on Install Steam. Select Install Steam. Once the Steam installer is downloaded, you will right-click here to proceed with the installation. Select Yes. Select Next. Select Next. Select Install. Select Finish. Log into your Steam account. If you don't have a Steam account, create one. Once you've logged into your Steam account, you will search for the game Sleeping Dogs here. This is the game Sleeping Dogs. Click on it. To download the game Sleeping Dogs to your computer, we need to purchase the game. Select Add to Cart. Select View My Cart. Select Continue to Payment. You can use a Visa, MasterCard, or PayPal to purchase the game. After purchasing the game, it will be in your library. You will see the game Sleeping Dogs here. Then, click on it. Select Install to start downloading and installing the game on your computer. Once the installation is complete, you can play Sleeping Dogs on your computer.